Make your Instagram posts look amazing with cool photos like this. Want to know how? Keep watching until the end. Hello everyone, in this video, I will try to create cool photos for Instagram posts like the ones you saw earlier. But before we continue, don't forget to click like and subscribe first, so you won't miss our latest updates. As usual, we need help from ChatGPT to create the prompt. So I open ChatGPT and then type a command into it. Here I wrote, I want to generate an image in Gemini using my photo. Can you give me some ideas? And ChatGPT immediately gave me several ideas for the theme. In ChatGPT, you can ask for anything you want, as long as it doesn't violate copyright or other rules. Okay, next step. I asked ChatGPT to create the prompt based on the theme I want. To be more specific, I try adding my photos so the prompt generation becomes more detailed. After that, copy the prompt. To generate realistic images that match your own photo, choose Gemini, because besides being easy and free, the results are also quite good and realistic. So we open Gemini, log in with your email account, paste the prompt and upload your photo. Then click Generate and wait for the result. Look, the result is really good, realistic, and the face matches the one we uploaded. Okay, let's try it one more time. So how is it, friends? It's pretty easy, right? With this method, you can post on Instagram or other social media accounts without having to leave your house. Okay, that's it for our video today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.